Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my latest Nespresso haul, so I was just gonna open it up and get it loaded in my tray, so I'm good to go for tomorrow. Okay, first things first, I got another batch of my favorite, Mexico. And let's see here. I got a sleeve of vanilla custard pie. Also got a sleeve of Solalio. And my last one is Kahawa Yakango. Hope I'm saying that right. All right, and then as always, I got a little sample. Okay. All right, so let's just get this open. All right, so if you guys have watched a few of my videos by now, you know that Mexico is my favorite. So every time that Nespresso offers the Mexico and Colombia as a sample, as the free sample, I'm always gonna grab that. So there they are. Just put those to the side for now. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna get loaded is Mexico, and this particular coffee has an intensity of 7. And there is the pod or the capsule. So good, it's my favorite. And I just love the colors on this. Okay, the next one is vanilla custard pie, and the intensity on this one is, I don't know if it has an intensity, it's one of the flavored capsules. It's from the Barista Creations line, so I don't see actually don't see an intensity level on this one. This one's really good if you want a little flavored coffee. I've always enjoyed this one. And all the capsules in the Barista Creations line has a little, I don't know if you can see there, a little swirl on top. The next one is Solalio, and the intensity on this is a 2. So it's a pretty mild coffee. I enjoy this one in the morning or after lunch. It's a little treat. And it's a really pretty bright yellow capsule. And this is, all these that I got today are the standard coffee size of 7.7 ounces. And last but not least, we have the Kahawa Yakango, and the intensity level on this one is a 6. It's a really pretty box. This is new to me. I've never tried this one. This is it also in the Reviving Origins line. And it's a pretty cool looking with the font on there, the name of the coffee. There we go. Okay, so I'm good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.